Hi, welcome to Houston Public Library Craft Time. Today we're making origami Mario cap. This craft is intended for ages 6 and up. You will need a piece of white paper, origami paper, red or green. Green would be for Luigi. You will need a pair of scissors, glue stick, and markers, red or green. Okay, so we're going to get started. The first thing you do is grab your origami paper, and then we're going to fold it in half like this. And then we're going to open it back up and then turn it and fold it in half again. There we go. Open it back up. We're going to flip it over and then bring this corner to the top corner right here. Like that. Okay, open it back up, turn it, and we're going to bring this corner to the other corner again. There we go. Alright, and then we're going to go open it back up. And then we're going to grab the two opposite sides and gently squeeze them in into kind of like an overlapping square. And there we go. Did you see how I did that? I'm going to do that one more time. Let's open it back up. Grab your opposite sides and then gently squeeze it in. Bring them together. There you go. Alright, once you have the square, we're going to flip the top layer up. Fold right in the middle. And open it back up. We're going to bring this corner to the middle right here. Make a crease. And then go ahead and flip it over to the top again. And flip it over. We're going to bring this corner to the top. Fold it in the middle. And then open it back up. Bring this corner to the middle line right here. Make your crease, and then go ahead and flip it up. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over like this. Turn it, and then flip the left side over like this. There we go. And then we're going to turn it sideways so your crease is horizontal. We're going to fold so this corner is right here in the middle. And then turn it around. Bring this corner to the middle. There we go. And then we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. One side. And then the other side. There we go. Alright. And then we're going to turn it around like this. And flip the top over. We're going to make a crease right here along the lines. Right there. Okay. And then we're going to fold the top part down from this corner to this corner. So if it's easier to do it upside down, you can turn it around like that. Alright. And then this part is a little tricky. We're going to fold this in the other way and insert this portion into this pocket right here. So bring that down. There we go. Alright, and then we're going to flip it over and fold right along this line right here. And then we're going to fold the top down like right around here. Just the top corner. Right there. Alright. And then we're almost done. We're going to pull this open. Use your finger in the middle to open it up. And show us there. And there we go. And if your flap isn't staying, you can always glue it or tape it together. And then we're just going to do the letter in the front. We're going to put some glue on it. Put it right here on top of the cap. That's your Luigi cap, and this is your Mario cap. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this activity. We'll see you next time. Bye!